I got a 2000 Buick Century in here. Got some busted coil springs on both sides. And sway bars broke. A lot of people try to get you to replace the whole sway bar on these. I weld them. Yeah, coil springs broke. I'm going to put ready struts in this. A lot of times these aftermarket ready struts, the ride height is wrong, but you know, given the car, you know, it's cheap stuff, he's probably going to need an alignment, and I'm sure the ride height's going to be higher than it's supposed to be, because I've been running into that lately with almost all of them. So yeah, I'm going to put some cheap ready struts in this and weld up them sway bars. First thing I'm going to do is take off this center axle nut, because I don't want the axle coming apart when I'm messing with this thing. It's a 35 millimeter. Just pound that in, make sure it's loose. It's a 21 millimeter. On the other side is an 18. It's kind of like a rounded bolt looking thing. I don't know. I'm just going to put these nuts on here just because. And turn the wheel. That way I can try to hammer on these pretty good. Yeah, these are spline too. See that? Yeah, no, I just want to pound that into. By the way, this is your coil spring, it's broke, so this isn't like a normal part, just so you know, in case you don't know. Okay, that should be pretty good. I don't think that axle's going to pop out on me. The brake line's kind of hanging up here, which is fine, I guess. Get this thing out of here. Yeah, now I'm on the top side. There's just three nuts on the top. Just take these out. Got one flying. I got new ones though. When you take out your third bolt, you want to hang on to your strut because it's going to drop right out. Then you just fish this monkey out of here somehow. And there's your strut. Just that easy. So yeah, a lot of companies, a lot of mechanic shops, they'll try to charge you for a strut removal and installation. And when you're doing a ready strut or a quick strut, you're not spending not even nearly the same amount of labor as just replacing a strut. Because when you replace a strut, you got to take everything apart and reassemble everything. You're not doing any of that. So for somebody to give you a regular labor for a regular strut removal and installation, it's wrong. And that's on a parts and labor time guide, that's the only labor that you're going to find on this job, because there's no labor on a parts and labor time guide for a strut assembly. So pretty much everybody that's putting these in, that's charging you for a regular strut removal and installation, they're ripping you off, because the labor's not that big of a deal. Okay, now I got the aftermarket cheap junk. These only go in one way, and on this car, the right and the left are the same. They're interchangeable. So I'm gonna put these three studs up in the hole and just start the nuts from down here. Just reverse the procedure. It's easiest to get an alignment punch of some kind and stick it in here and kind of line this hole up. Just like that. There's your quick strut. Nice and quick.